Here is the first look of the all-new OnePlus 15. You get a triple camera setup with the DetailMax engine, a 7300 milliamp hour battery. Yeah, 7300 milliamp hours. You also get the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and since 120Hz is so last year, you do get a 165Hz panel in this phone. It is crazy smooth, and a part of that is because this phone has 3 chips inside, and one of those chips is literally dedicated to just making sure the phone is smooth. Yeah, it's that smooth. Now, as far as protection goes, IP68 and IP69K. Yeah, that's right, there's a K at the end. I've never heard of that before, so after doing some digging, the K means that the phone is able to survive machinery and automotive work. I've been super excited about the OnePlus 15, in fact, and busy, by the way. I've been working on my iPhone 17 Pro Max comparison, the S25 Ultra comparison, the Pixel 10 Pro XL comparison. Yeah, and of course, the upcoming S26 Ultra, who could forget about that? I did a little bit. So if you guys are interested in those videos, definitely be on the lookout for that, and definitely subscribe if you're a fan of these no BS style review videos. But I also have to be honest, I was a little worried there's no more Hasselblad logo, the no more Hasselblad partnership. I was a little worried about that, not gonna lie, but I think people won't notice. So first things first, the design. Slap my face and call me Sally, okay? I used to think the Pixel 10 Pro XL had the best design, but I'm beginning to think the OnePlus 15 does. This colorway that I have is so against fingerprints, you will not find any on here. And oh, what's that? A plus key? Interesting. More on that later. The soft and yet grippy back panel, the frame, I mean, just those two things combined, it just makes holding the phone feel nice and secure. And look, I honestly don't even know like what OnePlus constructed the frame out of, but it's like this, it almost kind of makes me think of like the Pixel 3 days back when they used the chassis, and it didn't feel like metal or anything. It feels like some sort of like granite almost. It's so unique. I don't know. I like it. And I think once you guys feel it, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. There's also these tiny like specks that go around the border or like the chassis. I don't know. I'll try to include it in the video if my camera can pick it up, but I don't know. I love it. In the box, at least here in the US, we get OnePlus's super fast charger, a USB cable, and of course a pre-installed screen protector. I seriously gotta give it up for OnePlus. Again, being here in the US, what do we have, right? We have the big three, right? Apple, Samsung, Google. None of those 3 brands include anything in the box. I mean, the unboxing, like, I don't even know why people make unboxing videos. What are you guys even showing? Just the phone and cable? Like, what? But with OnePlus, you actually get something in the box other than a cable, you know, and a pre-installed screen protector. I have to give praise for that. These other companies are taking things out of the box and charging us more for it. Not OnePlus. People are going to be like, oh, you're a OnePlus fanboy. No, I'm just speaking facts. Remember, this is a no BS review video. I say it how it is. Oh, and this charger, by the way, yeah, it's pretty quick. Like literally 10-minute, like you brush your teeth, right? Take a shower, your phone's done. Your phone's just waiting for you. In fact, you took too long probably. See, that's the thing I noticed with OnePlus. Not only are their phones incredible with battery life, but they also charge crazy fast as well. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. On the side of the phone, we have a new plus key functionality, which, dare I say, it looks oddly similar to the fruit company. But this new plus key acts kind of like a shortcut key to get into multiple parts of the phone, such as mind space, sound and vibration, do not disturb camera, which I personally use, flashlight, and more. There's one thing about OnePlus that I've loved since my first OnePlus, the OnePlus 7 Pro, with its insane mechanized camera pop-out. It's of course being how smooth it is. I just don't know what it is, either hardware, software, or both. This phone just feels smooth to use. And yeah, that tri-chip, oh, it's too early. Tri-chip, maybe that has to do with it, but previous OnePlus models didn't have a chip dedicated for smoothness, so maybe it's just the way they optimize it. It's just mwah, it's so good. So as far as first looks and impression, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I mean, look, I'm impressed. The only thing I was worried about was the disappearance of the Hasselblad partnership with OnePlus, which is kind of interesting because isn't this phone basically the Oppo Find X9 or whatever they're calling it nowadays? I'm pretty sure it's the same phone, just different dads, right? Different families, I should say. And that phone has the Hasselblad partnership. This phone doesn't. So I was worried. I was worried, not gonna lie. But I don't think you guys should be worried. More in the next video. So what do you guys think of the OnePlus 15? Are you gonna pre-order it? Did you pre-order it? Let me know down below in the comments. And if there's anything you want to know for me to cover in my next video, definitely drop me your comments down below. Almost choked. I'll try to cover everyone that I can. Nope, that's not what I meant. I'll try to answer everyone that I can. That's what I meant. It is literally 4:59 in the morning. So yes, my words are getting stumbled. Anyway, if you found this video to be entertaining, interesting, funny, whatever, click that like button. It's free for you and it helps me in the channel out a lot, and I always truly appreciate it, okay? And if you're new here, hey, subscribe. What's up? As always, this was Mark from Mark's Tech. Adios.